If you will be writing your NECO this year, your NECO capturing, NECO thumbprinting has started. I'm sure, of course, most of you probably are also writing this WAEC, and you're also writing NECO. So these are the basic things you should know if you will be writing NECO in this year. Just follow me as I guide you through. Like I said, the essence of this video is fingerprint and your capturing. It is an essential part of online registration for NECO exam. Of course, if you also wrote your WAEC, you should be familiar with it. So it is called biometric data capturing. So it's a process where which candidates will go for fingerprinting, and NECO will take 10 fingerprints. Now, as a student, these are the things to look out for when you are doing the NECO thumbprinting so that there will be no mistake. Carefully look at your name. Carefully look at your passport, your picture. Carefully look at your date of birth. Very important. Carefully look at your gender, your sex. If you are male, have male. If you are female. Last year, I had a student who made a mistake in her gender. She is female, but they made a mistake and wrote male for her. She had to pay extra money. I think that time was 5,000 or 10K. 10,000 naira to change it from male to female. Then subject. So check your name, check your picture, check your date of birth, check your gender, check your subject. These are very important. Then if you are also physically challenged, this thing should be indicated. So for you to write this NECO exam, these are the things you should do as you do your thumbprinting. Remember, if you want past questions, if you want help in any way as you're writing your WAEC, your NECO exam, what you need to do is just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come over to, once you subscribe, I will get across to you. Come over to the comment when you subscribe and say, I have subscribed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, right now. When you subscribe, just come under this video and say, I have subscribed. Once I see your comment, I will get across to you and we'll see the resources, the help, and the materials you need. Remember, subscribe to Noble Tutorial YouTube channel right now. Come under and tell me you have subscribed. Then I can guide you. I can send you past questions, send you a timetable, send you guidelines as you write your WAEC and your NECO examination.